for the best high interest savings accounts in Nigeria, you guys, we are going to be looking at the Access Bank high interest deposit account. This is their own special high yield savings account, and in this video we are going to be looking at who is qualified to open this account, what you need to open this account, the interest rates that accrues when you open this account, and if this account, this high yield savings account, is worth your time. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, please like the video, please subscribe, and please let me know in the comment section where you are watching this video from. So the Access Bank has their own high yield savings account known as the high interest deposit account, and we're going to be going to their website to look at everything that you need to know about this high yield savings account by Access Bank. According to them on their website, the high interest deposit account is a special account designed to help you save for special projects or emergency funding. A HIDA account allows you to maximize your credit, interest earned on your savings with tiered interest rates. What this means is that you enjoy higher interest rates on a larger savings balance. The interest earned per annum accrues daily and is payable monthly. So this high interest deposit account by Access Bank is for you to save. So they would reward you for saving and punish you for withdrawing money from this account. It is not like your normal savings account. You guys, I've told you on this channel before that in Nigeria, the normal savings account has an APY of about 1% thereabout, but with high yield savings account, it's a bit higher than the normal going rate. Now, according to Access Bank, the more you have money in that account, the more your interest rate would increase, because like we started by saying, this account is created for you to save. So it's not like the normal one that when you save money you go and withdraw. You are saving for a special project or for emergency funding. You know, when they talk about having emergency funding saved somewhere in case of any emergency, as the word, in case somebody falls sick, in case there's something that you need to attend to that is outside your normal expenses, because this is life we're talking about. Some of you have kids, some of you your business, anything can happen. Do you understand? So having an emergency fund somewhere where you are saving, nobody prays for emergency, but you are just preparing in the eventuality that certain things happen, that is where this account is needed. Now let us look at what they say the interest rate is and what you would need. So according to them, you earn highly competitive interest rates per annum on your available balance. That is the money that is in your account at that time. Okay, that is what you earn. So the more you save, the more you earn. And like they said, it is a tiered interest rate. So for instance, if you have less than 100,000 in this account, the interest rate per annum will be 5.25%. If your money is like 50k, 60,000, 70,000, do you understand? If it is between 100,000 naira to 4.999 million, it is going to be, your interest rate is going to be at 5.3%, 0.35% per annum. Then monies between 5 million to 49 million thereabout, the interest rate per annum is 5.45% per annum. For 50 million to 999 million, the interest rate is 5.50% per annum. For 100 million to 249 million, the interest rate is at 6.50% per annum. Then if you now have money from 250 million and above, the interest rate you'll be getting on this account is 7% per annum. That's the interest rate you'll be getting on the available balance monthly. Okay, so now you understand the interest rate that accrues on this particular account. So the interest rate is not one particular interest rate, it is tiered at different amounts that you are going to be saving in your account. But apart from the interest rate, when you open this particular account with Access Bank, they say that you will have 4 free withdrawals without forfeiture of your credit interest payment on available balance maintained. That means in a month you can withdraw money from your account, but you have to also bear in mind that whatever money you are withdrawing, if it falls below a particular tier, you are not going to be getting the interest of that tier. So for instance, let's say you have 5 million in your account, right? You are supposed to get 5.45% interest. Okay, now if you now withdraw 4 times from that account and that balance now reduces to 3 million, even though they are saying that your interest, you will not forfeit your interest, what that means is that you would not forfeit your interest, but you will not be getting the interest at 5.45% per annum. You will now be getting interest at 5.25% per annum, meaning that if you now withdraw from this account 5 times in a month, you are not going to get any interest on the available balance. That's what they are saying for that particular month. But if you withdraw within 4 withdrawals, you will get interest paid, but it is good. The interest that is going to be paid is going to be based on the available balance in the account. I hope that is clear, so that you don't think that, oh, I saved 5 million, I withdrew 2 million, but the interest I'm now getting has reduced. I'm telling you why the interest will reduce, because you are only entitled to withdraw 4 times in a month. But if you withdraw outside that 5 times, you are not going to get interest, because this is a special savings account. The reason why you need to open this account is because you want to save, and the reason the interest rate is attractive is because they want to reward you for saving. Okay, this account does not come with a debit card, because they want you to save money. You want to save your money, and if you want to save your money, you don't need to be withdrawing money once you just think about something. It's okay, let me go and withdraw money. No, with this type of account, you are not going to get a debit card. The account also gives you the opportunity to deposit cash. You can deposit checks and dividend warrants from any of their branches. Now, there's a penalty. You have to listen very well. If the money in that account goes below 5,000 naira, you are going to attract a charge of 300 naira. They are punishing the behavior they don't want, because this is a savings account. You are supposed to be saving on this account. So how can you open this account? It's very easy. It's very easy, and these are the things that you need. You just go into any of their Access Bank branches. This video is not sponsored, by the way. You go into any of their branches, they say you will need 1 passport photograph, any means of identification like your current national passport, driver's license, national ID card, NIMC card. Then if you are not a Nigerian, you will need a resident permit. Okay, then address verification and utility bill. That is all you need to open this high yield savings account with Access Bank. Okay, so this is all that there is. You can also check their websites, because there's a form that I'm seeing, and that they will get back to you, okay, if you are interested in taking your savings more seriously. So let me know in the comment section, are you open to opening this type of account, and how much can you say you can save on a monthly basis if you open this type of account to keep up with your savings goals? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you are new here, I have a playlist on savings account, high yield savings account that we are running on this channel. Please watch it so that you have a wide range of options to choose from, okay, from different banks. All right, thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.